Okay, I'm here today to talk about the ENS202EXT product from EnGenius, which is an outdoor 2.4 gigahertz, 300 meg 11N bridging access point type product. Right, let's just go through what we've got here. So I'll open the box so you can see what we've got. Okay, so that's what you get in the box. Let's go through each thing we've got. Right, the first thing is we've got the actual outdoor access point CPE unit itself. Cover that in detail in a minute. We've also got a proprietary PoE injector that's included with the product. So this is powered up the LAN cable, and I say this is proprietary PoE using 24 volts PoE. So you must use this PoE injector. Don't plug it into a normal 48 volt PoE injector or it'll go pop. Put that to one side. Also in the box we've got the two 2.4 gigahertz 5 dB Omni antennas, and these actually go onto the two gold connectors, which are reverse SMA on the top of the actual unit itself. Put those to one side. In the bottom of the box we've got a cloverleaf mains lead for the PoE injector. We've got some roll clips for fixing to the wall. Usually the product is pole mounted, but wall mounting is an option. We've got some cable ties for pole mounting, though to be honest, probably more permanent pole mounting would be preferable. We've got a template showing the hole fixing for the wall mounting, and a quick setup guide. So let's look at the product itself. Get that out of the way. Okay, so the product itself, as it says, it's an outdoor weatherproof product, slightly smaller than an A5 piece of paper. On the top, we've got the two reverse SMA antenna connectors, as I say, for the aforementioned 2.4 gigahertz 5 dB antennas. On the back, we've got a groove mounting area for pole mounting, and there's two screw lock holes on there if you want to do wall mounting, assuming the wall's facing in the right direction. On the bottom, we've got two cable entry exit holes, and there's a protective flap, which I can get off like that. So, under the weatherproof flap, we've got two LAN sockets. One is a PoE LAN socket, so that's where you're taking your power and your main data connection, and there's also an outgoing data only LAN port, so that's not a PoE carry through port, that's just a data only port. So that's quick description of the product, and that's it. Thank you.